This one spiritual hack is going to make any women chase you. If you have a woman that you like in your life, do not ever go up to her and suggest her that you're going to take her out someday, or suggest her something like she needs to consider you as a suitable dating partner. That's not how things work. You need to convince yourself that she is already going out with you. When you convince yourself in your mind that she is already going out with you, and you can feel the feelings of joy, thrill, accomplishment, and satisfaction out of this imagination, then this imagination is going to get outpictured into your physical reality. The moment you completely convince yourself that she is already going out with you is the moment where she is suddenly going to start to notice you. She is suddenly going to start to throw herself at you, and you do not have to do a single thing. No single finger has to be raised by you if you simply learn how to convince yourself that she is already going out with you. Because your physical reality is just an extension of your mind. So take charge of the mental activities, and you will control whatever happens in your physical reality. This is the reason why yogis call our physical reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. They knew that whenever they upgraded their state of mind through meditation, through visualization, through spiritual practices, all of a sudden they became magnets for wonderful circumstances, and all their terrible life circumstances vanished away magically. So, what you have to do is every night before going to bed, relax, completely relax by taking deep breath or by doing yoga nidra, or just relax. Learn how to relax. If you do not know how to relax, watch my yoga nidra video. You learn how to relax. Then start to imagine that the girl that you like is already going out with you. She is already in your arms. You guys are already in a beautiful beach or a mountain range together. You guys are already in a intimate room together. She is already in a bed with you. She is already trying to kiss you, and you just have a big smirk on your face because all these things are happening to you. Now she is the one chasing you, not the other way around. How does this feel? If this imagination feels joyful, feels great, feels thrilling for you, then this imagination is going to get impressed on your subconscious mind. But if you cannot feel any elevated emotions out of this imaginal act, then you must mentally rehearse this imagination over and over and over again until you start to feel emotions of happiness, joy, satisfaction. But an average human being has a very shit attention span. His attention has a very monkey like nature. It either goes to one past event or it starts to jump to another future worst case scenario where she is rejecting you. But if you manage to discipline your attention, then your imagination will get impressed into your subconscious mind. Then your subconscious mind, in its infinite intelligence, is going to bend your physical reality until whatever you have imagined actually happens to you. You will start to move across one event after another, and suddenly, effortlessly, naturally, the girl that you desire will start to get obsessed with you. And you haven't done anything other than imagining. Persistent imagining creates your personal reality. Do not forget this spiritual principle. I understood this during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I thought all these dating tricks, all these pickup tactics and psychology tricks I learned was helping me to get intimate relationship with a girl that I liked. But during COVID lockdown, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to turn inwards. I started to meditate. And meditation taught me one thing. Outer game, pickup techniques, dating tricks, psychology tricks, all these weird hacks never really work. The only thing that works, the only thing that worked for me was my vivid imagination and the feelings that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method. The imagination and feelings that I had while reading this book actually created an intimate relationship in my visible world. So your only real power is your own imagination. Use your imagination wisely and you will get the girl that you desire effortlessly. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a very powerful imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive feelings so that your imagination will get outpictured into your physical reality, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section down below. By the way, an average human being has practiced feeling negative emotions or bored or unworthy for so long that it might be difficult for him to feel these elevated emotions. So train yourself. Give yourself some time. Invest in yourself for at least 30 nights in a row and learn how to feel these elevated feelings out of this imaginal act. And when you feel these elevated emotions, simply relax into unconsciousness. Go to sleep quietly. This will make you a magnet for all the girls that you desire. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.